So I'm here to check out Kit's new project from Imagination Renovation. Let's see if she's here.
Hey, thanks for coming. Come on in.
Thanks.
So Colin, what do you think about the color choices?
Love the color choices. So tired of seeing just white and gray, and there's a nice mint. You've got some blues. They're subtle. So you really have to notice that they're two different colors, but they carry through the whole house really nice. They give it a nice appeal. Loved your idea whitewashing this. It was just kind of brownstone before.
It had to be done, right?
Not sexy.
Yeah, had to be done.
Yeah. And with the tile, it just flows through so nice. Carries it right on through to the kitchen, shall we?
Let's go to the kitchen. So Colin, I need to tell you about my new obsession.
Oh no?
It is leather granite.
You were telling me about that. Is this that?
This is that.
Oh, that is incredible.
I know.
Yeah, it does. It feels like leather.
It does. Right where you're standing, someone will put their stove built right into the countertop. So
Nice.
This is their entertainment right here.
Nice.
Yep, you can be cooking in the kitchen and entertaining at the same time.
Beautiful countertops. Love the darker gray base with the lighter. It just balances really. Everything's soft close. Yeah, this turned out really, really nice.
Thank you, and I know you do design, so that means a lot.
Background, interior design degree, so yeah, this is right up my alley. I am loving the crap out of it.
So I love this breezeway, obviously the shiplap, extra bonus for me. I love designing this room. But this is so convenient, just being able to come in right from the driveway as well as the 2-car garage. That's so nice.
Which is technically a 2.5-car garage because we got a little bonus space that's added onto the side as well.
That's right. So you actually have like a nice little workshop in there or extra storage. You can store wood back there. Considering you're on almost an acre with some wooded area back there, that's very convenient. And I love the back of the garage where you can actually take a riding mower right out the back door.
Yeah, we do have a raisable garage door in the back as well.
So tell me a little bit about the upgrades that you guys did.
Well, the biggest one would be the electrical system. It's all completely new. It was an older home that had knob and tube wiring. We tore all that out, updated everything, new panel, fixtures, everything, receptacles. We also did, there's 2 air conditioning and furnaces in each one of these areas. You have one for the upstairs and one for the downstairs. Kind of helps it keep it nice no matter what the temperature is on those particular floors. So
probably lower your utility bills too.
Yes, much more efficient.
Dual, yeah. I love that the roof is only 5 years old too.
It is. There's
so many like great upgrades about this gorgeous home, and I really appreciate all the ones that you put in.
Yeah, my pleasure.
This home features 5 bedrooms and 3 full bathrooms. 2 of the bedrooms are located on the main level with a full bathroom. And as you go upstairs, there is another lovely loft that you can use as a second family room. There's also a partial finished basement that you can use as a second living space as well.